Derive the Minardi-Kodagi equations. Solution: the equation L2 minus M1 equals to ML minus L minus mu into M minus lambda n, and M2 minus N1 equals to NL minus M nu into M minus mu into N. Equation 1 is called the Minardi-Kodagi equations. Let us consider the identity del over del V of R11 equals to del over del U of R12, since we know that R11 equals to Ln plus L R1 plus lambda R2, R12 equals to Mn plus Mr1 plus mu R2 from the Gauss's formula. So del over del V of Ln plus Lr1 plus lambda R2 equals to del over del U of Mn plus Mr1 plus mu R2, or L2n plus Ln2 plus L2R1 plus Lr12 plus lambda R2 plus lambda R22 equals to M1n plus Mn plus M1R1 plus Mr11 plus mu1R2 plus mu R12. Equation 2. Again, from the Weingarten's equations, we know that vectors n1 and n2 can be expressed as the linear combination of the vectors r1 and r2. Let n1 equals to ar1 plus br2, n2 equals to cr1 plus dr2. Putting the values of n1 and n2 and also the values of r11, r22 and r12 from the Gauss's formula in equation 2, we get L2n plus L into cr1 plus dr2 plus L2r1 plus L into mn plus mr1 plus mu r2 plus L2r2 plus lambda into nn plus n r1 plus nu r2 equals to m1n plus m into ar1 plus br2 plus m1r1 plus m into ln plus lr1 plus lambda r2 plus mu1 r2 plus mu into mn plus mr1 plus mu r2, or L2 plus Lm plus lambda n into n plus Lc plus L2 plus Lm plus lambda n into R1 plus Ld plus Lu plus L2 plus lambda nu into R2 equals to m1 plus ml plus mu into m into n plus ma plus m1 plus ml plus mu m into r1 plus mb plus m lambda plus mu1 plus mu square into r2. Equation 3. Thus the vectors on each side of the 3 have been expressed as a linear combination of the non-coplanar vectors r1, r2 and thus we can equate the coefficients of the like vectors on the both sides. Equating the coefficients of n on the both sides, we get L2 plus Lm plus lambda n equals to m1 plus m into L plus mu m, or L2 minus m1 equals to ml minus L minus mu into m minus lambda n, which is first Minardi-Kodagi equation. Again, consider the identity del over del U of R12 equals to del over del U of R22, since R12 equals to Mn plus Mr1 plus mu R2 and R22 equals to Nn plus Nr1 plus mu R2 from the Gauss's formula. So del over del V of mn m r1 plus mu r2 equals to del over del u of nn plus nr1 plus nu r2, or m2n plus mn2 plus m2r1 plus mr1 2 plus mu 2r2 plus mu r22 equals to n1n plus n1 plus n1r1 plus nr11 plus nu r1 r2 plus nu r12. Equation 4. Now putting the values of r11, r12 and r22 from the Gauss's formula and the values of n1 and n2 from the Weingarten's equations, we get m2n equal plus m into cr1 plus dr2 plus m2r1 plus m into mn plus nr1 plus mu r2 plus mu 2r2 plus mu into nn plus nr1 plus nu r2 equals to n1n plus n into ar1 plus br2 plus n1 r1 plus n into ln plus lr1 plus lambda r2 plus v nu 1 r2 plus nu into mn plus m r1 plus mu r2, equating the coefficients of n on the both sides of equation. This is equation 5. On the both sides of 5 we get m2 plus m small m into capital M plus mu n equals to n1 plus nl plus nu m, or m2 minus n1 equals to n into l minus m minus nu into m minus mu into n, which is the second Minardi-Kodazzi equation.